Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, so let me introduce myself. I am Khushi Rastogi and I'm building this brand, scented candle brand in India named Perfume Candles. Welcome back to another random video, and this is actually a storytelling, and this storytelling is about somebody I had a word with, and it really made me realize a lot of things that I really want to tell you people. So बने रहना अगर तुम्हें स्टोरी जाननी है, और अगर तुम्हें नहीं जाननी है तो इट्स totally fine, you can leave. Okay, let me start now. Actually, as you know, I'm a writer and a content strategist, so it started it out like I had a word with someone, okay, someone who was starting his business and he wanted me to partner with him. So basically, it was a more of a meeting to partner with myself. And that person asked me, what do I do? And if I have any other plans for my future, if I want to be an entrepreneur or something. And then I was like, I'm building my own business right now, and it's really, a hard commitment to make if I can partner with you and help you build your brand. So basically, then the real talk started, and when he asked what I do, and when I told him कि मेरा scented candle का business है, and I'm trying to build this brand with an intention of telling people कि it's not just about a baseline or luxury candle. It is more about how you should involve candles in your daily life activities. And then he was like, okay, is it luxury or is it those simple candles? And it hit me like something crazy. Like I told you before, like in the previous video, कि यहाँ के लोग का mindset यही है कि if you are buying a candle, it is basically for electricity or maybe a luxury thing. Like no, and it really disappointed me till the bottom of my heart that it is more than that. Now, what happened is I really felt disappointed because as a person who is trying to make a change, who really want to change the tonality of people, mindset of the people, and I'm hearing exact him again and again, that actually broke my heart. So basically, after that, he started asking things like, "Do you want to involve your candles in aromatherapy or something else?" Sorry. Then I was like, no, actually, I want to build my brand on myself. See, if people don't understand the perspective of something, then taking help from somebody who doesn't understand your, you know, goal, it's useless. So after that, it really, made a home in my heart. मतलब मेरे को ऐसा हो गया कि मैं वो चीज़ सोची ही जा रही थी because see, if there is a person who wants to make a change and you are watching or hearing people's mindset, it will drain at some point. So that was what was happening with me. It was draining me till the very end of my brain. Ki, how do I change this mentality of people? How do I change this perspective of people that they have about candles? Ki it's not just about luxury and it's not just about baseline candles. कि आप 10 रुपए की खरीदो कि लाइट चली गई है या आप कैंडल्स तभी दो when it's a wedding or it's a wedding gift. It can be more than that. You can add those candles on your daily life activities. It's not much. It's not much. You're buying perfumes for yourself. You can buy perfume for your entire room, entire house. It is kind of a decor item that can literally stay very long, very long. Like there are variety of candles. Let me show you the jar. This is 350 ml jar, and you know what? It can save you 3 months of extra ordinal packs, and you can say other pouches that you have in your house or maybe washrooms. You can keep it anywhere. You can keep it anywhere with such great designing, such great main character energy. You can wait. You can actually keep them. You can actually keep them and make them look so great, like such a main item in your house, and still you are avoiding keeping these things making part of your daily life. I really want to change that. So that thing actually made me realize a lot of things कि मुझे लोगों की mentality change करने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, मुझे लोगों को समझाने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, मुझे लोगों के brain को feed करने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, that these candles are not just about luxury or gifting. It is more about how you love yourself and how much you love your entire decor of your house. So this is the story, and it made me feel things like बहुत रियलिटी हिट कर गई उस मोमेंट पे कि यस द मेंटालिटी ऑफ पीपल हियर इज लिटरली जस्ट a barrier that I have to break and just that I want to break. It's not just about selling the brand, it's not just about selling the candles, it's more about how can I make an impact, how can I make impact by changing their life, and how I can make such a great impact कि लोग इसको एक daily life ka part samjhe, like a part of themselves. So I'll keep coming with such things and I'll keep making a difference. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe it. And yes, okay, thank you. Bye.